Hello everybody! Hello again! So, today we'll be unboxing Winnie the Pooh X. And actually we got something new in that we actually will tell you what's been new, what we found out about Winnie the Pooh X when we unbox those. Only after that you will know what we found out. Okay, let's begin! Here we go, our first Winnie the Pooh egg. Okay, what we got inside? What? Look at that, we got a pig. Alright, let's move on up to the next Winnie the Pooh. So here we got an elephant. So yeah, basically what you can find in this one. So, and you see, basically, yes, what we wanted to tell you about. Yes, it's important. So, as you see, on the head of the pig and on the head of the elephant, there is this type of thing. I don't know. From the first moment I didn't know what that means, but Snowman was clever enough. He spent hours of finding out why it's that. So you see this detail on the head. It kind of seems unusual, but basically you can pick up all the animals from the Winnie the Pooh X and combine them such way. Like in the tower, so you can build a big tower. So yeah, and I think that it's a very nice idea actually. Yeah, yes, I also think that it's very nice. We'll actually make it more visual. Put it this way, yeah. So we now can see this tower of elephant and a pig. It can be much bigger. You can have Tiger, Winnie the Pooh himself standing in there. Yes, so it will be very fun. So, and that's it for today's video. Yeah, if you like it, please take a moment and comment below. Share the video with your friends. Watch other videos on our channel and subscribe to the channel as well.